In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account in Google Analytics. If you're cleaning up old setups or consolidating workspaces, deleting an account removes the entire container, including all properties and data tied to it. Before you proceed, make sure you have the appropriate permissions at the account level, typically an administrator role. Also remember that deletion first moves the account to the trash can for a limited time. Google usually gives about 35 days, after which it's permanently removed. If you might need anything later, consider exporting important reports or documenting key settings beforehand. Start by opening your browser and going to analytics.google.com, then sign in with the Google profile that manages the account you want to remove. Once Analytics loads, look toward the lower left corner of the interface for the gear icon labeled Admin. Click that to open the administrative area. In the Admin view, you'll see three columns. Focus on the leftmost column, which controls account level settings. At the very top, use the account selector to make sure you've chosen the exact account you intend to delete. This is important because deleting at the account level affects every property and data stream inside that account. With the correct account selected, click the Account section to reveal the configuration options. Next, open Account Settings, sometimes shown as Account Details. This page summarizes the account's name, data sharing settings, and other high-level information. It's a good final checkpoint to verify you're looking at the right account. Take a moment to double-check the name and any identifiers you recognize. When you're absolutely sure, look at the top right of the account settings page and choose Move to Trash Can. Analytics will prompt you to confirm the decision. Read the warning so you understand what will be removed, then confirm. The account is now in the trash can, which acts as a safety buffer. During the retention window, users with sufficient permission can restore it if it was deleted by mistake. After that window closes, the deletion is irreversible. That's all you need to do. If your goal was only to remove a single property rather than the whole account, consider managing that at the property level instead so you don't impact unrelated data. Otherwise, you've successfully initiated deletion for the account. Thanks for watching, and keep your analytics workspace tidy by reviewing unused accounts from time to time.